Okay, this is a close-up of the cell, just to allow anybody that wishes to buy one. I've just put an alligator clamp on that at the bottom. The idea behind that is that the current has to travel along the entire length of the tube. The positive on the anode, which is on the inside here, I'll just take this off. That's the anode there on the inside of this tube. Now that has to travel all the way through. This is a bit hard with one hand, one moment. Okay, so that's clamped back on. That's been going all night, and as testament to the actual efficiency of the cell, it's just on this 2 volt 400 amp battery, and it's just pumping out that hydrogen slowly but surely. I'll just tilt that at an angle so you can get a complete view. Now, as testament to the efficiency, that cell, outer cell there, the surface area feels cooler to the touch than the ambient temperature in the house. So I'm thinking, here's a piece of stainless steel anode that's not been running or anything, and that's just feeling the temperature of that. Pretty much feels the same temperature. So the idea behind that is there's no heat loss, there's no very, very, very low loss to heat. If you're creating heat, you're using your current and your voltage to create that heat. That will be loss. The other proof of the actual concept here is I filled that to the top last night and then emptied out 10 mil. Now that there now is just over 25 mil. So I've used 15 mil of water in 24 hours. So there's no evaporation of the water at all. It really is the most efficient cell that I've been able to design. Been creating designs. I've probably built over 90 different versions of electrolysis cells. Slowly but surely finding the best, simplest, cleanest, straightforward method to build a cell. I really can't imagine being able to build a tubular cell any better than that at this point. It's amazing how simple it is, but the simplest designs are most often the best. It takes a long time to actually be able to create a cell this efficient and this simple. But I did get there and I did persist. And I truly do believe it's an absolutely sensational cell. Look at those little bubbles popping out there. If you'd like to contact us to order any of these cells, we do them for $55 plus freight. If you want 5 cells to put in series to run on your car, we do them for $45 each. Any bulk volume, we can certainly discount that down further. Truly an excellent experimenter cell, an advanced experimenter cell. No longer is it really necessary to get a couple of plates and whack them in a bit of PVC pipe and go, wow, I've created a hydroxy, look everybody. You may as well start where, you know, with something that's usable and actually a little bit more efficient than whacking 2 plates in a bit of PVC pipe. This cell here is around about 6.2 to 6.5 mmW. That's measuring on a conservative level. I have had measurements of over 7. I'm not sure yet whether I'll run these cells in prior to dispatch. I guess that will be up to the customer. I'm quite happy to do that for you. We can put it on a pulse width modulator and turn the power down to approximately 2 watts at 2 volts, and then we can give it a crank. I've got the electronics to be able to adjust the frequency, and I've also got the electronics to adjust the actual duty cycle and pulse cycle on off with a Bob Boyce design or a Lawton design. So if you require that, I'll do that for you. I'm quite happy to do that for you. I've done it to quite a few cells, and it certainly does make them more efficient once they've got a bit of a coating. But that will happen over time for you anyway. Maybe a week and you'll be there. And then you'll be getting the 7s out of this cell. So if you want to contact us, we're at water